How to remove Instagram account from login list on iPhone. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can remove Instagram account from the login list on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to go ahead and then remove the Instagram account from the login list on your iPhone, the issue here is that if I open up Instagram and then I'm on the login page, you can see there are a couple of accounts saved on my Instagram app, and I want to remove them from the login list because even if I tap on it here, you can see I cannot find the option to remove them. Well, to remove these accounts, all you have to do is on the top right you'll find this little gear icon. You want to make sure you just tap the gear icon here. Now you can see it says manage profile. So select the profile that you want to delete. Tap the option called remove profile, tap on remove, and then this account is going to get successfully removed from the login list on your iPhone. And this way you can go ahead and then remove Instagram account from login list on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.